Annotations allow you to draw attention to a specific part of a document by adding a callout in the form of a shape, highlighting, or text. Annotations can be added to the near native or image view of a document if available. It is important to note that annotations are stored separately from the document and can only be viewed in Axcelerate within the document viewer. Annotations also cannot be produced. Let's take a look at the available annotation tools, and here I will pop out the near native view using two-screen mode. Arrow allows you to draw an arrow. Once this tool is activated, you have the option to select the color width and style of the arrow. Text allows you to draw a text box and then input text into the box with additional font and formatting options. Let's take a quick look at some of the other annotation shapes that are available. Cloud allows you to draw a cloud shape. Sketch allows you to draw freehand shapes. Line allows you to draw a straight line. Rectangle allows you to draw a rectangle or other solid shapes. You can also modify or delete annotations. The Select tool can be used for both. To delete an annotation, activate the Select tool. Click on the annotation you would like to delete, and then select the backspace or delete key, or right-click and delete. Note that annotations must be removed individually. There is no bulk remove option. To modify an existing annotation, activate the Select tool, click on the annotation you would like to modify, and then make the required modifications. Annotations can also be resized or moved. Click one of the corner white boxes to resize, or the four-way arrow to move the annotation entirely. A few additional annotation options exist. Select Text allows you to mouse over an annotation or redaction to see the time and date the markup was applied. Redactions also display the specified redaction reason. Save Markup allows you to manually save applied annotations or redactions without moving to another document or changing views. Thumbnail View. This icon, located on the right side of the Viewer panel, expands Thumbnail View. Thumbnail View can be used to jump between pages of a document. It also allows you to quickly identify any pages that contain annotations or redactions. Annotations can also be printed. Near Native View provides the option to print with or without any annotations that are applied to this view. Note this does not include redactions. This option prints all annotations. Grayscale. Select if you want the color annotations to print in grayscale. If left unselected, they will print in color. Regarding annotations, there are a few limitations to be aware of. Documents containing annotations are not automatically or explicitly tagged by the system. If you are planning on using annotations in your review, a proactive approach is recommended so you can identify annotated documents at any time. Consult with your case manager prior to starting review and consider one of these options for tracking annotated documents. Add a custom field and ask users to tag that field anytime they add an annotation to a document. Or, create an annotations folder in the foldering arrangement and ask users to add annotated documents to that folder.